This is a teardown of a Cisco US Phone CP-8831-DCU keypad. And I suspect screws are under the pads, which is not surprising. So, let's see what's inside. Now, I believe this connects to a Cisco base station and is not for a computer, but it does have a weird choice of a micro USB connector on the end. Not sure why they went that route. I'm curious to see what's inside on the other end of the cable. So it's unceremonious. Let's see if I can get this out. Just a little snap-in connector there. Oh, this strain relief has some screws in it. So in theory, it's at least somewhat serviceable. I doubt it's super serviceable though. It's interesting. They got 4 beads there for noise reduction. Ferrite beads. And there's your cable. Empty shell of base. Oh, I need a screwdriver. And we're just going to disconnect this display cable. There we go. Pop that flat flex out. Not too much on the back of the PCB. You got 1 chip. I don't think there's going to be much on the other side other than gold-plated pads for the buttons. Oops. Missed a screw. Talking too much. Got your plastic inserts for the buttons, double shot. Some sort of ABS probably. I think the numbering is printed. It's not the plastic protruding through. I don't feel an edge. Rubber pad. Huh. Why is that attached? Weird. That part was glued on. I guess it's because it's separate from the big button, which looks like a toggle switch, volume control. Interesting. Yeah, not much to see on the front. Who's this display made by? Probably not going to find out. And we'll say on the special, just a liquid crystal display, monochrome, probably. Yeah, it probably has pixels. And there's the chip on the board, Texas Instruments LM3S5R31 with some passives and a crystal that is unreadable on the camera. Oh, well, it doesn't really say anyways. The crystal is A160E3C. Probably for the clock, I suppose. Looks like might have some LEDs mounted around the edges. Otherwise, yeah, pretty much all there is to see. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.